Okay, welcome back, YouTubers. Continuing on with the fender, I've got I got some weight on it, so the wheels compressing up into where it will go for the curvature of the fender there. I got the belt back. We're going to do some welding, and what we're going to do is trying to. I got some metal strips cut here. I know this is an unorthodox way of doing this, but it's the only way I know because I don't have a lot of fancy metal forming tools. So this natural line going across here, kind of where I put my first brace at, I'm gonna start like welding pieces on each end and start towards the center. Going towards the center, try and stabilize it left and right so it don't. So I got it like in place right where it's supposed to go. I got it blocked on the tire there with a paper towel to keep the spacing right on this part on each side. So to get this welded in place, I got a piece of tape here. So I'm gonna try and hold this in place right here where the bottom where that line's at, and hold it up against that little part right there and draw a line, and I'll be able to cut that curve. We'll do one on the other side. Okay. So I got some pretty, I know they don't look good right now, but I got it attached pretty solid. I checked the measurements on both sides again, and the spacing's still the same. So I got it stabilized and it's on there. So now I can take the fender off and start putting more metal in all the way around the back there and start boxing that in and making that permanent. Okay, I got the fender out, so now you can see a little bit more what I'm talking about. This one right here, this piece of metal right here. Now this is like actually holding this, so this don't flex one way or the other now. And I can grind these welds down, dress them up a little bit, and now that I got the fender off, I can actually cut pieces of sheet metal to shape and use cardboard aided design and templates and all that kind of junk, and make this look a little bit more professional and custom looking. So that's where we're at right now. Just making a short one tonight. It's kind of late, so we all got jobs, right? I hope most of us do anyway. So I'm gonna have to cut it short, and wish you all a good night and stay safe and have a good life and all that kind of stuff.